Don't you wish your everyday spending, from the quick trip to the gas station to that one big purchase you've been planning, could work harder for you? We all have to buy groceries, we all need gas, and once in a while, we splurge on something big. But what if those essential and occasional expenses weren't just drains on your wallet, but opportunities to build real value? That's where leveraging a rewards program, like the one from Rogers Bank, comes in. This isn't about chasing complicated bonus categories, it's about making your cash back work for you, where you need it most. Let's break down the real-world use cases for earning and redeeming rewards on your common purchases. First up, groceries and gas. These are the true everyday items. Whether you're filling the tank before the morning commute or stocking the fridge for the week, these purchases are constant and add up fast. Using a card with a strong, uncapped cash back rate for all eligible purchases means you're constantly earning rewards on these must-haves. Think of it as getting a small discount on every liter of gas or every loaf of bread, which pads your rewards balance week after week. It's the consistent, low-effort way to grow your cash back. Next, the big-ticket purchases. We're talking about that new TV, a major home appliance, or even a down payment on a trip. These are the transactions where a substantial amount of cash back can be earned in one go. Imagine buying a new laptop and watching a satisfying chunk of rewards instantly hit your account. But here's where the strategy really pays off, redeeming those rewards. You've done the work, you've earned the cash back on your gas, groceries, and that new appliance. Now, where can you use it? The flexibility of a program like Rogers Everyday Rewards means you can apply your cash back to virtually any purchase made on your card, or even better, get an enhanced value when you redeem against your Rogers, Fido, or Shaw bills. Picture this, the cash back you earned on your groceries and your new TV is now helping pay down your monthly internet and phone bill. Or, you can just apply it to those everyday charges you just made, like a statement credit towards your last gas fill-up or that big grocery haul. It truly is about rewarding you for the spending you already do. The bottom line is simple, by putting your gas, groceries, and big-ticket purchases on your Rogers Bank credit card, you're turning necessary expenses into a continuous revenue stream of cash back. Then, you choose how you want to use it, either as a general credit or to get a boosted value on your Rogers services. It transforms your wallet from just a payment tool into a powerful rewards engine. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.